What's going on, ladies and gents? Welcome back to Cooking Everything. Today we're going to be cooking up a cast iron ribeye. Enjoy. First step is to dry brine our steaks. Season both sides liberally with salt and stick it in your fridge uncovered for 2 hours. Get your cast iron skillet ripping hot, oil both sides of your steak, and set it in there. Make sure you're constantly playing with your steak, turning it in the pan, and flip it quite often. Once a nice golden crust is acquired on both sides, crush in 3 cloves of garlic, a twig of rosemary, and some butter. Now it's time to baste your steak with that beautiful butter until you reach an internal temperature of 126 degrees. Now let your steak rest for 5 minutes and enjoy.